Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, a one-step solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Invoker's persona in Dota 2, which is also known as Get Invoker. To do this, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client. And on the top side of your screen, you'll see an option called Armory. Click on it. And then on the filter hero list, search for Invoker. Like so. You'll see two options. One is the normal Invoker right here, and this one is the persona, also known as Get Invoker. If you want to buy this, click on this green button, like so. And here are all the different sellers which are selling the set right now. If you want to buy it, just click on one of these, like so. Now, as you can see, I don't have enough funds right now in my Steam wallet. If you want to buy this and have enough funds, there will be an option called Buy Now right here, and the transaction will go through. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Says. Happy gaming!